Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 to ensure safety during the maintenance process. First, remove the dust bin by pressing the release button. This will give you better access to the internal components. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body. Be cautious, as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may not have been removed. Now, with the back cover off, you can see the internal components clearly. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use the soft cloth to wipe down the surfaces, ensuring that no dirt is left behind. Regular cleaning can significantly improve the performance of your Dyson. Next, locate the rail and ring assembly. This is where you will focus your attention. If you notice any wear or damage, it's time to replace these parts. To do this, carefully unscrew the rail using your Phillips screwdriver. There may be 2 screws holding it in place. Once unscrewed, gently lift the rail out. Now take the new rail and align it with the existing holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws. Make sure it is firmly attached to avoid any issues during operation. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. After replacing the rail, turn your attention to the ring. This component is crucial for the vacuum's suction capabilities. Remove the old ring by gently prying it off with a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the surrounding areas. Once the old ring is removed, take the new ring and press it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. With both the rail and ring replaced, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the back cover back onto the main body, ensuring all clips are secured. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. Finally, reattach the dust bin and give your Dyson SV14 a quick test run to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Regular maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your Dyson vacuum. By following these steps, you can ensure your device remains in top condition. If you prefer, our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to keep your vacuum running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.